College of Engineering and Technology. I am Vetrivel, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. In this video, we are going to discuss about semiconducting materials. Let us see what are semiconducting materials. Now the course outcomes. After successful completion of this topic, the students will be able to infer about the semiconductors and its types. The highest cognitive level K2. Now let us see the definition for semiconducting materials. Materials which are partially conductors and partially insulators are called semiconducting materials. Based on energy band. A semiconductor has nearly empty conduction band and almost filled valence band with a very small energy gap approximately equal to 1 electron volt. See the figure. The conduction band is empty and the valence band is completely filled. So there is a small energy gap as shown in the figure. Let us see the general properties of semiconductors. First, they have empty conduction band and filled valence band at 0 Kelvin. Second, they are formed by covalent bonds. Third, they have small energy gap. They possess crystalline structure. Fourth one, they have negative temperature coefficient of resistance. Fifth one, if the impurities are added to a semiconductor, its electrical conductivity increases. Sixth one, similarly, if the temperature of the semiconductor is increased, its electrical conductivity also increases. Now let us see the elemental and compound semiconductors. What are elemental semiconductors? Semiconductors which are made from a single element of fourth group elements of the periodic table. They are also known as indirect band gap semiconductors. Example, germanium and silicon. Now let us see the compound semiconductors. Semiconductors which are formed by combining third and fifth group elements or second and sixth group element in the periodic table are known as compound semiconductors. These compound semiconductors are also known as direct band gap semiconductors. Example, gallium phosphide, gallium arsenide, etc. Here we see the types of semiconductors. Based on the purity of semiconductors are classified into the following two types. The first one, intrinsic semiconductors. Second one, extrinsic semiconductors. What are intrinsic semiconductors? A semiconductor in pure form is known as intrinsic semiconductors. Its electrical conductivity can be changed due to thermal excitation.